You know, we always forget about the air filters in our vents that are in our walls, right? We worry about, at least we should be worried about changing the filters in our furnace twice a year. But we always forget about the return unit here in the wall, right? So let's take a look here. Wow. See what I mean? This was actually put in last winter, and I fell behind because I didn't put it in the spring. I didn't replace it in the spring. Look at that compared to that. That's the color it originally was. This is the color it is now. Isn't that horrible? Ugh, so gross. So we're going to, this is easy though. I don't know how yours sits at your house, but this just comes right out like that. And then you see I gotta clean all this. It's just disgusting breathing all that in. I gotta wash all this down. But I wanted to show you how important it was. I've got this upside down. I wanted to show you how important it was to, let me see if I got this. Yep, arrow goes that way. Okay, cool. There's an arrow that they put on these airflow. See that arrow? I'm just gonna put it in like this. That. See that? Very simple. No time at all. All right. And then that's it. That's how you replace it.